Alrighty then, welcome back to Underdog Moto Mania. What we getting on about today? Well, had a pretty nice wheelie last time out on these dirt tires. That led me to believe that maybe I should get back on my quest for the 20-second wheelie. I did a 14-second wheelie where I kind of held it up, coasted a little bit, didn't even chase it out at the end, and it was 14 seconds. Could have been 17 or 18 if I ran it out at the end. So maybe I'll get back on my grind. Got a little two-step process that I'm going to try to work on to do it. I'm going to go down to the little spot, launch the drone, try some second gear wheelies, trying to get them up a little higher near balance point. Manage the torque curve on second gear up in the wheelie, because when I do my try to get my 20-second wheelie, I'm going to do third gear. It's going to be less torque, more manageable. So if I can get some practice in second, I think it's going to help my third. Anyway, let's get out on the road. Let's see what I can do. Alright guys, hey, and if you haven't subscribed yet, like, comment, subscribe, really helps me out. Appreciate you guys. See you on the road. Oh, feel the airflow. Yeah! I'm loving it, guys. Having a tough time. I got out of my 12-hour shift this morning, 6 a.m. Got home, found out the wife was having trouble with the water. Spent an hour and a half working on that. We have a jet pump, and it seems like I can't get my prime back because it almost seems like we're not pushing enough water. Maybe not enough water in the well. Looks like we might have to get a big storage tank to solve the problem, and that's what we're working on. So very little sleep. So let's go out and do some wheelies on very little sleep and see if we can crash this bad boy. Ha! Kidding. Back brake must hit back brake. What the heck? Let's put the bird in the air. This will be my first full flight since the crash of this bad boy. Okay. I got the eyeball. Gonna hit that. Gonna go to fixed track. Hi, buddy. We'll butt at the hands. Alright guys, Skydio's in the air. I got the eyeball. I got nothing to crash into down here for the drone. I can always crash into the ground. Alright, hi Skydio. Okay, try a couple second gear wheelies. Back brake down. Not the best initial pop. Still in the air. Not the best initial pop, but you know, I got it up there. Second gear is kind of nice. Let's fix my. All right. Hi, buddy. That is my buddy. It's my cameraman. Alright. So, trying to get used to this second. Not the best pop. You know, start to get a little like whiskey throttle maybe. Again, not good. Not good. Working on the smoothness on the throttle. Just not hitting it on that particular one. And when you have a not so good wheelie, it's okay to set it down right away. Try not to chase. You know, I really just wanted to get it up to a point, so I was messing with it to try to get it there. Sometimes it's not worth it. You got to get up there smoothly, especially in the torqueier gears. That was pretty good. I was starting to get there that time. Yeah, I was starting to get there that time to the floaty area. Halfway there. Halfway there. I didn't get on the brake at all that time. But halfway there that time. Halfway there. So the goal here to get my 22nd wheelie is to practice second gear where it's a little torqueier. And get kind of used to that so I can manage the third gear torque curve when I get up around balance point effectively. So I'm not going for anything long down here necessarily. Back brake down. Man, I was so close that time. I could absolutely feel it. So close. I was maybe like just a couple inches away from really pulling that up to where second gear balance point would have been. Felt nice though. Felt nice. That's gonna help my third a lot. So that's what I'm trying to do. Get used to the torquey curve so I can go back to third and get something good. So one more guys. Oh man, right there. I hit back brake down, but I was really close to riding second gear balance point right there. Felt really good, and that's the feeling I want to get in second. So I can transfer that to third where the torque isn't as crazy, and I'm really going to be able to manage that torque curve so much better in third gear. So I think I accomplished what I wanted. Man, better than my wheelie tutorial video, which was garbage. Or my wheelies were garbage in that video. But anyway, come here, buddy. Closer. Got you unfixed. All right. 2, 1, and landing. Come back to daddy. Hold the hand still and flat. The drone freaks out when you hold it sideways. Back brake down before the curve. Okay. downhill. That's the highest and longest I've held it after a downhill. We're back out here and figured we'd continue the series quest for a 20-second wheelie, part number 3, part 3. Maybe I'll even put side by side as my last time out here and this time in terms of my quest. Oh, 2 times. Oh, I was actually leaning forward as I got higher and higher because I felt like I was hitting that balance point, and the higher the bike goes, the more you got to lean forward to keep your back, we'll say, upright. They keep like straight up and down. Even guys who lean way back when they're doing these wheelies, when they get the bike very upright, you'll notice their back is kind of like straight up and down, kind of like they're standing on the ground. And yeah, actually, as I got higher, me actually getting like more straight up and down with my back actually seemed to help my comfort level with the bike being that high. May not be correct, guys, but I've seen guys much better than me at wheelies do this very thing. So, just saying, possible that I may have beat my my long down here of 16. Actually, I might put it head to head with that one. Put them on the screen and see which one comes out on top. Wow, guys, that takes a bit out of me. I'm not gonna lie, that takes a bit out of me. I'm gonna stop there. We're gonna get the tail of the tape later. It's a quest for 20-second wheelie. I don't think I hit it. Do I think I got more than the 16, which was my previous high? I think I'm awfully close. So. Couldn't see. Okay, let's get off this main street. Doing wheelies on the main street past heavy traffic is not my bag. That's how you can expect a short life expectancy. Ooh, that's gravel. trying to pull me right very hard, and halfway through that I had a very strong notion for safety to set it down, but I didn't do it, and I managed to keep it from going as far right as it wanted to, but that was a little more sketchy than I like it to be. That's the way we do it out here. And that's a cop, by the way, that lives there. Yeah, we'll see if he ever catches me doing a wheelie. Right. No. No bueno. Whoa. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming out on this ride with me today. Underdog Moto Mania. It's a fun ride. Quest for 22nd wheelie part 3. Getting a little closer, feeling a little more comfortable at that balance point. It's an odd thing, but kind of like try to get my back more upright as the wheel gets higher. It's making that squiggly balance feeling feel a little more positive to me. Anyway, tail of the tape. I'll put it up against my best previous one, maybe in the side-by-side orientation. See which one comes out on top. Previous best was 16. We'll see what we get. Anyway, I know it felt better. I know I held balance point longer. But we'll see. Anyway, if you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Underdog Moto Mania. Out. Come ride with me. Yeah.